If you find the content relevant, then do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell button to get a regular notification. Also do share your experiences and any suggestions that you have in the comment box. Hope you enjoyed. Hi, this video is specifically with regards to IFT, what you need to do during the examination. Just during the exam, what is required. So you know about the paper pattern that there is 35 questions of verbal, LRD 30 questions, Con 25 questions, GK 20 questions. So just glance through the paper pattern before the examination. Okay, remember that we don't know what the cutoffs are going to be, but just know your strategy and follow your strategy. So technically, just before the exam, I would normally recommend don't try to predict the cutoff. I mean, I hope that you'll have had enough learnings with regards to CAT, ZAT, SNAP, and looked at what the cutoff could be and what was predicted, etc. Even after writing the exam, people couldn't predict the cutoff. So during the exam too, you cannot predict the cutoff. So don't try to predict. I mean, it could be high, it could be low, the paper could be easy, tough. We don't know. So it is recommended that during the examination, at least, your cutoff should not be in your mind. Whatever the paper is given to you, do your best and come out. Right? Also, if there's a lot of waiting time on your desk, okay, normally I recommend close your eyes and rest. It gives you a good rest before the exam. Okay, so if you can take a nap, close your eyes and take a nap, great. If you cannot, just close your eyes and try to meditate or take a nap or take a rest at that point of time. So normally what happens, they take you to the your desk where the exam is much before the exam because of checking and everything else that happens. So in that case, it makes sense to just be relaxed because that will help you in your exam. I mean, 2 hours of exam is rigorous. So having a little rest beforehand, just before the exam, could help. During the examination, as far as possible, follow your strategy. You must have had your strategy in place as far as possible. So try to follow it, especially the time limits that you have maintained. Though you should have your strategy little flexible as far as possible. Okay, but yes, try to stick to it as far as possible, especially time limits. So when you say that I have made 20 minutes for verbal, you can maybe say 20 to 25 minutes. Have that flexibility in place a bit in your strategy itself, right? But whatever flexibility you put, try to stick to it, because it's very easy saying that, oh, my section is tough, I mean the max is very tough, let me solve a few more questions. But if the max section is tough, there's a high chance the cutoff is lower, and the time that you have planned should be sufficient to clear the cutoffs. But yes, take your, you know you know yourself better, take your prediction and go about it. But yes, try to stick to your strategy. If the paper is tough, remember one thing, it will be tough for everyone. If you're finding sums difficult, so it will be tough for everyone. So pick a few easy questions and try solving it as far as possible. But if the paper is easy, it will be easy for everyone again. So push yourself. Okay. These are two things that you should remember. It is possible that during the examination you may find some part of the paper tough, some part of the paper easy. Always that is there. Okay. So go as per the question comes, your plan, leaving of questions, etc. Look, remember, in an aptitude examination, leaving a tough question fast is what is important. Okay? Don't try to linger over it too much as far as possible. Ensure that you don't give up till the end. At 2 hours which is there, just give your best and don't give up till the end as far as possible. I mean, even if you feel no, this paper is gone, but still give your best shot till that 2 hours end. I mean, I've seen people who had almost given up during the examination, and this is for all exams, almost given up during the exam, but they said, let me just go ahead with it, and they managed to clear the cutoff, do well as far as the exam is concerned. So don't give just give your best till that for 2 hours and try to do your best, right? So give you everything that is there. It's only a matter of 2 hours. Remember that. Okay. Once you finish at 2 hours, then you can do whatever you want. But in that 2 hours, focused. Focus on trying to crack the examination. That's it. Thank you.